means we already learned the complete information about that moon. Then after we learn about what is the general information about planets and also natural satellites, okay, include with sun. Then coming to that, today we are going to talk about individual planets. We are going to learn by individual planets. Step by step, there are 8 planets, but we are learning 9 planets. And today we will start from first planet to learn from the sun. What are the specialized characters to the individual planet? Next we talk about that each and every planet. The first planet is nothing as Mercury from the sun. What is the first planet from the sun? Is nothing as Mercury. Name of the planet is what, ma? Mercury. Mercury is the first planet from the sun in our solar system. It is very closest to the sun. Okay, what are the properties you learn for that? See here, we are talking about Mercury. So Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. It is the nearest to the sun. It is the nearest to the sun. Nearest to the sun. And coming to that, let's talk about it is the hottest planet and it is the hottest planet, which is Mercury, and perhaps without any temperature, and perhaps what I'm saying to you, perhaps without any temperature, without any temperature. And coming to that, we are talking about it is not seen. It is not seen by our means since most of the time. Since most of the time. Since most of the time it remains in the glare of the sun. Glare of the sun, which is that Mercury. However, it can be observed. However, it can observe. We can observe that before sunrise or before sunrise or just after sunset. Just after sunset, near the horizon. Near the horizon for a very short time. For a very short time. Coming to that, so it is called a, and one more we can talk, there are, means the temperature is different on the surface of the, what we can Mercury. During the daytime it is so hot, during the night time, means what we can, the half of the part of the Mercury will focus towards the sun, remain half of the part is behind the sun, means that it is back side of the Mercury half of part. Means the part which is focused towards the sun, imagine what I'm saying to you, this is the sun. And the first planet is what, ma? Mercury. What I'm saying to you, this is a Mercury. See, this half part which is focusing by rotating, so that part only will get light on the surface of the Mercury. During the day, during the light day, what I'm saying, it is so hottest. It is so hottest, and at behind of this part, there is no chance to get the light on the outer surface of the Mercury, at backside surface of the Mercury. But if during the night, what you are saying, where there is no light, that we are calling dark. Due to the absence of light, we are getting night. So during the night, okay, we are not comparing to Earth night and Earth day. It is comparing by the Mercury. We are learning about first planet in our solar system. During the night, means in this remaining part where there is absence of light, there it is a minus degree centigrade temperature. It is a minus degree centigrade of temperature is present on the night time. During the daytime, there is a high temperature is present, hottest surface, and during the night, it is a coldest surface, and it makes minus degrees temperature. Understand? Coming to that, what I'm saying, Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system. Among eight, among nine, we cannot say among eight only, because among the nine, that ninth planet which we are not studying about that is the smallest in whole of the solar system. But we are not studying about the Pluto. So that's why we are placing aside. We are placing aside separately to that. Among eight, so which is the smallest planet? Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. And see, it is the nearest to the sun. Of course, it is the nearest to the sun. It is the hottest planet, and perhaps without any temperature. We are not recognizing temperature because we are not studying completely about that. So, but it is the hottest planet. It is not seen since most of the time it remains in the glare of the sun. Okay, it covers most of the Mercury part at means in that glare of the sun means the intensity of the light of the sun means the most of the intensity of light will cover the surface of Mercury. By that, it is unpredictable to see. It is what I can say. It is unimaginable to see. Means it is not possible to see the Mercury planet. And what I'm saying to you next thing is, however, it can observe, but we can observe how like before sunrise or just after sunset near the horizon for every short time. Within short time, we can observe on the surface of horizon. Okay, before sunrise and sunset. So this is a general information about the first planet in our solar system. So what about that? Mercury. Okay, let's write that. Note down. Finish that. What we can call that name is a Bududu. What we may call that Bududu in our general language. Okay. Okay, finished. See here, what we learn about in our general language. The first planet in our solar system is Bududu from the sun, that we are called Mercury. Generally, Mercury is a messenger of God for Russian people, and also we can say for what we can Roman Delta people. There are Roman people were believed. The Roman people were believed the Mercury is a German and Roman both. The Roman people are believed that Mercury is a messenger of God. They may give the devotee to that particular planet. Okay. So coming to that, what we learn about Mercury is the smallest planet and it is the nearest to the sun. And after those, what I'm saying to you, see here. So it is the innermost planet in our solar system. What I'm saying to you, innermost. Because of, see here, in this part, what I'm saying to you, this is the sun, and the first planet is and Mercury, second is Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus, Neptune. So in that what happens, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, among the 8 planets, which are near to the sun, the first 4 planets which are near to the sun, those we are calling innermost planets or inner planets in the solar system. Inner planets in the solar system, which are the first 4 planets in the solar system, are the first 4 planets near to the sun. And remain 4 planets, what are they? Those are outermost planets in the solar system, are outer planets in the solar system. The first 4 planets which are close to the sun, those are we are calling innermost or inner planets in our solar system. Which are remain 4 planets in our solar system, those we are calling outer planets in our solar system. Understand? Coming to that, what I'm saying, the time period of revolution around the sun is the time period of revolution around the sun. How much? 88 days. So the Mercury taking to finish one complete revolve around the sun. One complete revolve around the sun, how many days? 88 days. Compared to Earth, Earth taking 365 days to finish one complete revolution around the Earth. Means to finish Earth one complete revolution, Mercury can take around how many, see here, around 4 times it can finish. Means by comparing the revolution of the Earth to the Mercury, Mercury will finish 4 complete revolution around the sun, while Earth finishing 1 complete revolution. Means the speed of Mercury is very more to revolve around the sun. The distance from the sun to Mercury is, the distance from the sun to Mercury is 57.91 million kilometers. 57.91 million kilometers. The distance between sun to earth is 150, approximately 150 million kilometers. 150 million kilometers. See here, what is the difference? 3 times greater than, means our earth is very far from the sun, then means 3 times greater than to the 3 times longer distance than to the sun, than to the Mercury. The earth is 3 times longer than to the what Mercury from the sun. Okay, this is the general information about the first planet. So if you finish that to note down, we will talk about next second planet. Next what we'll talk about? Second planet. Okay. Finished? See. Coming to that, one more you can write for about Mercury. So the time period of revolution around the means that Mercury taking 88 days means that is equal to 1 year. What we can say? 1 year according to the Mercury. According to the Mercury. Okay. So 1 year means what we can say general language, the planet which finishes one complete revolution around the sun. Understand? So by that you can say. So Mercury, what you can say, is the second densest planet. Mercury is a second densest planet. What you can say? Densest planet means it is a more density. Second means the density of the Mercury is according to density value. The Mercury is the second densest planet in the solar system. In our solar system. And coming to that, what we can say one more. Mercury has a wrinkle. Mercury has a wrinkle. What you can say? And coming to that, so Mercury has a molten core. Mercury has a molten core. And one more again, Mercury is only second hottest planet. Mercury is the only second hottest planet. Okay. And what you can say, Mercury is the most cratered planet in the solar system. Okay. Mercury is the second densest planet in the solar system, and it is has a wrinkle. How like it appears as a foldings on the surface of the Mercury, and Mercury has a molten core. At center, it having a what a liquid means the molten means liquid state of the core. Mercury has a center what how like the molten core means the liquid state of core. Okay, Earth has a solid state of core. Mercury is the only second hottest planet. Understand? Next we talk about next planet. And also Mercury has means on the surface of Mercury there are number of volcanoes or means the volcanoes eruptions are present on the surface of Mercury planet. The planet Mercury has a number of volcanoes. Then we will talk about next planet. The second planet from the sun is the second planet in our solar system from the sun is Venus. What is that? Venus. In general language, Venus we can call as Shukrudu. What we can call Shukrudu. Let's talk about that Venus. We are talking about second planet from the sun, Shukrudu. The general name of the Venus is Shukrudu. So see here, it is very close to the Earth's surface. It is close to the Earth planet. Okay, it is just after the means it is after the Mercury and before the Earth, and it is a second planet from the solar system or from the sun in our solar system. See here, Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. Venus is a brightest planet in the night sky. In the night sky, what we can say, it is a second planet in our what we can say, in our solar system. And coming to that, what I'm saying to you, it is in between the planets. It is between the planets. What we can say, where it is between planet Mercury and Earth. And coming to that, what I am saying to you, it is the nearest planet to Earth. It is nearest planet to the Earth. And coming to that, one more we can say, it appears as a morning star before the sunrise. It appears as morning star before the sunrise, and also and as evening star, morning star, evening star after sunset. After sunset. Coming to that, it up in the solar family. The solar family, only two planets only can rotate, means Venus and Uranus only. Venus and Uranus only. Venus and Uranus only rotate from east to west. Rotate from east to west. Means the remain will rotate from remain planet will rotate what we can say here, will rotate from west to east. West to east. On coming to that, what we can say, Venus is the brightest planet in the night sky. Why? Because it is the brightest planet in the night sky. Because when light falls on the surface of the Venus planet, it rebounds to back, it bounces back, and the Venus is near to the Earth's surface. By that, the reflection of light shows towards the Earth. By that, it appears as a star. It appears as a star. But we can recognize it is the brightest, what you can say, brightest planet in the night sky. By during the night sky, in that night sky, we can observe, means otherwise before the sunrise and after the sunset, means where there is a light present very less at evening time, we can recognize the star giving light, means that is a planet giving light or giving brightness by the reflection of light from sun. So it is between planets, means the Venus is located between Mercury, between where Mercury and Earth. So how like see one, so this is the sun, and this is what I'm saying to you, Mercury and Venus and Earth. So Venus is located between Mercury and Earth, and this is the first planet, this is second planet. Venus is the second planet from the sun in our solar system. Okay, and what I'm saying to you one more, it appears as a morning star. It appears as, it is not like a star. It is not a star. Okay, it is appears as morning star before the sunrise, and appears as evening star at after the sunset. After sunset, in the solar family, Venus and Uranus only rotate from east to west. It will rotate in its one axis from east to west. Okay, east to west. So means what we can say, the sunrise takes on the Venus and Uranus on west. It takes on west. Sunrise takes on west, sunset takes on east on the surface of Venus and Uranus. Are you understand? Okay, remain will rotate from west to east, east is towards the sun. So that's why remain all planets are getting sunrise at east, sunset at west. Sunrise at east and sunset at west. Okay, note down those about Venus. Finished? Then coming to that, what about we learn about second planet in our solar system? Means we learn about Venus, which is located in our solar system, second planet from the sun. See what we learn about. See here, it rotates from east to west. Orbital period is means it takes 225 days to revolve around the sun. Venus takes 225 days to revolve around the sun. Before we learn about Mercury, 88 days. Mercury took 88 days to finish one complete revolution. And one more we can say here, Venus taking 225 days. Venus taking 225 days to finish one complete revolution around the sun. Means 1 year on the surface of the Venus is 225 days. And the length of the day means the length of the day on Venus is, length of the day means how much time the light will stay on the surface of the moon at a point, means 116 days, 18 hours, 0 minutes, means 116 days means length of the day compared to the Earth. Earth 1 day means 24 hours we recognize. Is it or not? So like length of the day on the surface of the Venus means what we can say, length of the day means to finish one rotation. Earth takes 24 hours to finish rotate, but Venus takes to finish one rotation 116 days, 18 hours among the Earth. Compared to the Earth, it can take 116 days, 18 hours. If 1 day is 24 hours for generally for Earth, so means 116 into 24 plus 18 hours compared to the Earth. So 1 day means on the surface of Earth 116 days, 18 hours. On the surface of Venus, on the Earth 24 hours. 1 day we are comparing. Okay. On the Mercury, the length of the day is 58 days, 15 and a half hours. Means 58 days, 15 hours and 30 minutes. Length of the day on Mercury. Length of the day on Mercury. Length of the day on Mercury is 58 days, 15 hours, 30 minutes. Means what we can say, the rotation takes less. The rotation takes with less speed. Rotation takes less speed means what I'm saying to you, equatorial rotation. The Venus rotates itself with 6.52 kilometers per hour. How like it may rotate? The speed of Venus to the rotate. The speed of rotation of the Venus 6.52 kilometers per hour. 6.52 kilometers per hour. Imagine it is not a 10 also. Means it takes slow rotation. It takes slow rotation. It takes slow rotation. Understand? So Earth takes 24 hours to finish one complete rotation, and Venus taking how many? It taking length of the day 116 days, 18 hours. 116 days, 18 hours. Distance from the sun is what we can say from the Venus to sun 108.2 million kilometers. 108 point means approximately you can talk 110 million kilometers from the sun to Venus. From sun to Earth 150 million kilometers means just 40 million kilometer distance from the Venus to Earth. How much distance from the Venus to Earth? 40 million kilometers. 40 million kilometers. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. By that we can do yourself. See here, what I'm saying, 40 into 10 lakh. 10 lakh. Is it or not? So this is a 10 lakh. Means 40 ones are 40 and remain how many zeros? 6 zeros are there. So 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakhs, 10 lakh crores. 4 crore kilometers. 4 crore kilometers from the Venus to Earth. From Venus to Earth, how much? 4 crore kilometers. Okay? Means from the sun to Earth, 150 crore. Means 150 million. We have talked about 150 million kilometers. 150 million kilometers. Okay? So means how much we can calculate? We can calculate 16 crore. Okay, and otherwise how much? See, the Venus takes rotation. The speed of Venus rotation is 6.52 kilometers per hour. Means it is very, very slow. It is moving. It is much like equal to walkable speed of a person. Walkable speed of a person. Understand? So such a like the Venus rotates. That's why the day taking how much? 116 days, 18 hours. Means 116 means into 24 among the Earth. Comparing to that 24, 4 and 6 and 4. 12, 3 and 2. 4, 8, 7, 2. 2784. 2784 plus 18 means how much you can draw? 10, 8, 2. So see here 2802 hours. The day on the Venus is 2802 hours, means 2802 hours. Imagine how much slow it is. It's much not like a walking also. Is it or not? Slowly it is rotating. That's why the length of the day is that much. Understand? So that is the day on the Mercury. That is what more? Day on the Mercury. Day on the Mercury, the planet Mercury. Planet Mercury. This is general information about Venus or Shukrudu. What I'm saying to Venus or Shukrudu. Okay, finished? Then we will talk about third planet from the Sun or in our solar system. Third planet in our solar system. Which is that third planet in our solar system? You know well about that. What is that? Of course, we are staying on the surface of the third planet in our solar system. Where we are staying? Third planet in our solar system. Okay? What is that name? That name is nothing as what? Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. There is only life on the surface of the Earth. Okay, we know well about a clear information about Earth, and it is a third planet from the Sun, and it is an inner planet or innermost planet in our solar system. Of course, Venus also innermost planet in our solar system. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. These four planets are innermost planets or inner planets in our solar system. Okay, let's talk about Earth. We know well about Earth rotates from west to east, and it takes 24 hours to complete one rotation in itself, and it takes 365 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. Okay, on the surface of the Earth, 1 year means 365 days. Okay, the length of the day on the Earth, the length of the day on the Earth is 24 hours. The length of the day on the Earth is 24 hours. Understand? And what we can write? One more. See here. There is atmosphere for what? Earth, the planet Earth having atmosphere. The combination of gases is consist, and remaining planet has no atmosphere. Of course, Mercury, Venus, they both has no atmosphere. That's why they both are in hottest planet. They both are in hottest planet. Due to the atmosphere, what happens? It decreases the intensity of the light and heat. Okay, and we have a what ozone layer to decrease the intensity of what harmful gases. Decrease the intensity of harmful gases. And also we know well about Earth has we are divided Earth is in 4 parts. 3 parts are covered with water. Means the Earth consists of 3/4 part. 3/4 part it consists of water, and 1/4 part of the surface of land. Means on the surface of the Earth, consists of 3 parts are in water, and water present in 3 parts, and only one part consists of what, ma? Land. Only one part consists of land. So let's talk about Earth. What we can say, this in our general language we can call, what we can call Bhumi. What we can call Bhumi. Okay, and we know well about, before we learn about Venus, before the Venus we learn about Mercury. Mercury is a god messenger, messengers of God according to the Romans. Romans are believed Mercury is a messenger of God, and Romans are believed to the Venus. Venus is a goddess of the universe, goddesses of the honesty, goddesses of the beauty, such like they were believed. Who are those Roman people? Coming to the Earth, Earth is the third planet from the Sun. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, and it is only known planet with life on it. The Earth only known. It consists of life on the surface of the Earth, and we already discussed it has a 3/4 part consists water, 1/4 part consists land, and also one more we can talk. It reflects sunlight. Earth reflects sunlight. Due to that reflection of light, it appears as a blue in color. That's why we call Earth is a blue planet. That's why we call Earth is a blue planet. Understand? Then there is a chance to ask the question, why the planet Earth considered as a blue planet? Because of it gives the reflection of light from sun. It reflects the sunlight from the surface of the Earth. That's why it appears as a blue in color. Also we can say, what we can, Earth is surrounded by atmosphere, the combining of gases with ozone layer. We know well about, already we discussed about that ozone layer can decrease the intensity of what harmful gases which are delivering from the sun. Those are ultraviolet light rays, and infrared light rays. Those intensity it will decrease by falling on the surface of the Earth. Okay, so that's why we have a great intensity, means great atmosphere to decrease the intensity of light and heat. That's why what happened, the temperature on the surface of the Earth is 15 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. 15 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius means minimum temperature on the surface of the Earth. How like you are saying, it is not increases to 55 degrees Celsius maximum. Okay, because of the atmosphere absorbs and water. We have 3/4 part of water considered on the surface of the Earth. Those can absorb the whole heat delivered from the sun. That's why our water, means where the water located on the surface of the Earth, those we called store heat houses. Store heat means heat store houses, heat absorb houses. Understand? Okay, where the water is located in rivers, ponds, dams, oceans, seas, glaciers, wherever, those whole can absorb the temperature of heat from the sun. Okay, that will deliver, which can suitable to moderate the atmosphere on the surface of Earth. Understand? And also, we have many gases with the combining of compressed by the atmosphere. Understand? This is general information about Earth. Some more information we will discuss how it takes a revolution, rotation, what is the major properties on the surface of the Earth. We will talk about a complete information on the surface of the Earth. Okay, we must know how to learn. Is it or not? How we must know about the Earth because we are staying on the surface of planet. Every information, whole information will gather to discuss about the Earth. Understand? And in this week, we will write the test on this lesson, stars under the solar system. We will write on the lesson what? Stars under the solar system. Make well to keep learning in our home. We see you in the next class. Have a good day to you.